Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a frozen watermelon daiquiri. Super refreshing cocktail. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna use rum. I'm using Bacardi, simple syrup, frozen watermelon chunks, and fresh lime juice. So in a blender, we're gonna start by adding the frozen watermelon chunks. Three-quarters of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Quarter of an ounce of simple syrup, and 1.5 ounces of white rum. Now we're gonna pour this into a glass. And we're ready to garnish. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. It's super refreshing. I can definitely taste the watermelon and the fresh lime juice. This is the perfect drink for a hot summer day. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And that's how you make the frozen watermelon daiquiri. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!